Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm excited to share with you my review on the Tomy Toomies Bluey family pouring cups bath toys. And if your family is a fan of Bluey, you're going to love this. I purchased this adorable set because my little one's a huge fan of Bluey and I wanted to make bath time more fun and engaging. Plus, who doesn't love a good bath toy that encourages play and learning? We've been using these pouring cups now for 2 months and they've quickly become a top 10 favourite in our bath time activities. We use these cups for all sorts of fun activities in the bath, from pouring the water like so, and creating little waterfalls using the water and bubbles. That's one of her favourites, and it's a great way to keep your children entertained. We also love building the characters up outside of bath time as well as on the side of the bath like so, and you can also stack them up the other way if you like, so it helps with developing problem-solving skills as well as motor skills. Some of the features of these pouring cups include the cute and colourful designs featuring Bluey and her family, the different sizes and different shapes on the bottom of the cups are great for various pouring activities. And the easy to grip handles are perfect for little hands. Nice and small. They're stackable and they're easy for storage and added play options. Their safe and durable materials make it easy to clean. In our experience, we've had a great time with the Bluey pouring cups. They've been so enjoyable. My daughter has learnt to wash her hair using these cups, so that's been really great. They're super durable and have stood up lots of enthusiastic play between my daughter and my niece. My child loves stacking them up, pouring the water from one cup to another, and it's been a great way to make fun times in the bath, fun memories, and to make it so much more enjoyable. Plus, they're easy to clean, which is always a bonus for busy parents.